I wonder if this place is real or a painting on the canvas of my imagination. Little mounds of black rocks, shrouded in silvery mist, like black pearls on my mother's bracelet, veiled by the sleeve on her wrist. The ocean surrounds this little paradise like a loving hug. The clouds bring moisture from the sea, quenching the thirsty pines and a creepy red bug. I wonder if this place is real or a painting on the canvas of my imagination. But is there something beyond the beauty that my eyes miss? A drive along the desolate road, along dried ravines and eroded cliffs. I see the earth opening up, revealing deep scars from the past, violent eruptions and large trails of destruction. Is this how this paradise was seen last? To Garachico I come to understand the events gone by, a quaint town by the sea, selling necklaces and rings of basalt under the cloudy sky. On the fateful night of May 5th, 1706, the ground did shake and it shook hard. Two lava flows came rumbling down and burning rocks bombarded. People ran for cover with panic in their hearts. Imagine the grief when your home is shred to parts. But time heals us all, and this paradise springs back to life. On the rocks spewn out, do lichens grow and pines thrive. Slowly shrouding a green blanket over the volcanic scars. Soon after, we measly humans follow in our planes and cars. I wonder if this place is real or a painting on the canvas of my imagination. I truly wonder if this place is real.